Finding the right supplier in China is crucial for a successful business. In this video, we will cover 8 key aspects to evaluate suppliers and ensure your supply chain is reliable. First, understand the supplier's business model. Suppliers are typically manufacturers, trading companies or wholesalers. Manufacturers produce goods directly, offering the low price but higher minimum order quantities. Trading companies focus on specific categories and offer reasonable MOQs. But wholesalers are ideal for small orders but may not support long-term customization needs. Number 2, analyze their product lines. Manufacturers usually specialize in product made from similar materials. A trading company's range will stay within related categories, while wholesalers often carry diverse unrelated items. And number 3, check the supplier's locations. Industrial clusters like Guangdong often produce high-quality goods compared to others, the Zhejiang. And choose the clusters that specialize in your product for the best result. Number 4, evaluate their business histories. Looking for suppliers with over 3 years of experience to ensure stability and reliability. Verify their history through the license, trade show records, or website domains. And number 5, refer to the countries they are exported to. If they are worked with the clients in your target market, they are more likely to meet quality standard and help with the customs process. And number 6, verify compliance certification for specific categories like toys or electronics. Ensure the suppliers has the required certifications for your market to serve on taxing costs. And number 7, check factory qualifications like ISO 9001 quality management or BSCI social responsibilities. These are nice to have, but not essential for smaller business. And number 8, lastly, don't insist on export license. Many suppliers use third-party exporters. This is common and doesn't necessarily indicate a problem. And these 8 factors will help you find reliable suppliers for your business. Remember, no supplier is perfect. Choose one that meets your most crucial needs. Follow Jack for any promotional product sourcing.